Good evening, children. Today I am going to start the next topic of class 8 physics, and the topic is floating and sinking according to density. In which condition object will sink or float or partially remain suspended in the liquid? If the density of an object is greater than the density of water, that is liquid, then object will sink. Example, iron nails sink in water. If the density of an object is less than the density of water or liquid, then object will float. Wooden block float in water. And third case, if the density of an object is equal to the density of water, then object will remain suspended in the liquid. So in the all conditions, object may float, sink or remain suspended in the liquid according to density of an object. So we will discuss about the Archimedes principle. Archimedes was Greek physicist and mathematician, and he discovered hydrostatic principle or volume discovery. What is Archimedes principle? When a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. So what is that means? That means apparent loss in weight is equal to the upthrust on the body. So what is upthrust or upward force? That is also called buoyant force. What is upward or upthrust or buoyant force? The upward force exerted on a body by the fluid in which it is submerged. Upward force is equal to weight of the liquid displaced. That means the weight of the liquid displaced is equal to the upward force. So this principle can be shown by a experimental verification. Here we have taken two spring balance and both are hanged with a solid substance. In first spring balance, the solid weigh 300 gram force. We take a Eureka can, a measuring cylinder. Eureka can filled with water. When we submerged a solid in liquid, then some of the quantity of water displaced by the spout, and so the weight of an object is 200 gram force. So water displaced is 100 centimeter cube. That means the weight of an object is 300 gram force. When it is submerged, it loses its weight, which is equal to 200 gram force. That means the upthrust is 100 gram centimeter cube. So according to this, it applies on Archimedes principle. So apparent weight is equal to real or true weight minus upthrust, or loss in weight is equal to, or upthrust is equal to real weight minus apparent weight. According to Archimedes principle, there are some of laws of flotation and its application. According to principle of flotation, the weight of a floating body is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by its submerged body. That means the weight of floating body is equal to submerged body. In which conditions? When weight of an object is greater than upthrust, equal to upthrust, or less than upthrust. So greater than upthrust, then object will sink, equal to the upthrust surface of the liquid, and less than upthrust, that is float. So application can be applied. Floating of an iron ship, floating of an iceberg, or swimming in sea water. In this condition, we shall apply the application of flotation.